Well, finally getting to the hood pad. I scraped this guy off. Got me a bucket, got a couple little tools. I'm gonna give it a shot. Found some new ones online, they're not too bad. I think the factory Mercedes one's only about 150 bucks. So, I'm gonna get started on that. Well, I think I'm gonna move you to the other side. Wind's blowing this way and I'm tired of eating this stuff already. I think it's going to be fair getting the stuff out of this crack here. Might have to end up pulling this hood off, getting the old shock back out or something to that effect. Didn't take very long. There sure is a lot of glue stuck down here. Not sure what I'm going to do about that. Might just get her cleaned up and spray some more glue on it. As long as I get the OE pad, shouldn't be too bad. So, question for you guys: see some black overspray on this? Did they leave all the hoods white? Never actually took a hood pad off. I've owned 4 or 5 of these cars. Never got around to doing this. But it looks like all of this is black. All the trim is black, but it's white right up to the edges. If that's a Craigslist special or if this paint has been repainted. That's the way they just do all of them. If you know, then put it down there in the comments for me. Otherwise, I think I'm just going to keep it, getting this guy a little bit more cleaned up, and then maybe we'll get the pressure washer out and see if we can't pressure wash some of this stuff off. I mean, it just turns to dust as soon as you touch it. It's pretty bad. My fingers don't fit in here very good, especially when you're trying to grab some stuff out of there. Might just have to see if I can pressure wash this off, make a mess out of this tarp a little bit more, hopefully in a way I can clean up. That's a good section of it off. Just a little less time than I thought. Like I said, you touch this stuff and it just turns to dust. It was underneath here. Gotta imagine it's original. This came off of a different car. I bought this car. Somebody had let the strut mount collapse and it poked a shock right up through the top of the head here. So this one's off of a 91 190E that it's actually my wife's first car. So a little nostalgia. She sure loved that car, but man, what a piece of garbage that car was. So a little piece of it lives on here. We'll get her fixed up, we'll get her cleaned up. Maybe we'll even let her drive it. I'll tell you what, we got a whole bucket of stuff here. What a mess that is. Got it all over the driveway. But we're getting down on pressure washing time here. I can't decide if I want to get this harness out first or not. There is a whole bunch of junk down in here and I'm gonna need a bunch of this harness. Problem is, it's all going through that firewall there and means I gotta take the dash out. That's gonna make me procrastinate quite a bit. Gotta get this, I guess, insulation piece out of there. I do want to get this all cleaned up and get it all painted. Still haven't bought the 6mm socket I need to pull that power steering pump. We'll go ahead and find one before too long.